Hello everyone, welcome to Alan Cooking. Today I will share with you a home cooked recipe of fried cabbage with sauce. First of all, cut the cabbage in the middle. Take out the hard heart inside. Tear the cabbage into smaller pieces with your hand. The rhizome in the middle is not easy to ripen, so you can keep it and feed it to the chicken. Next, prepare a few garlics and chop it. After chop, put in the bowl for later use. Cut the chili into 1 cm length. Put together with the garlic. And then we prepare 100 grams of chicken meat and chop it and put in the bowl. Then now we pour 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. Turn on the fire and stir fry the cabbage first. This keeps the cabbage crisp and tender. And there will be no water coming out when frying. Stir fry for about 1 minute until the cabbage is slightly soft. Okay, take it out and set aside. Then add 2 tablespoons of butter to the pan. Then add minced garlic and chili and fry until fragrance. And then put the minced meat and fry meat until fragrant. And then put the soy sauce and Worcester sauce. Fry over low heat until the aroma of the sauce is released. Then put the cabbage in. Add sugar and chicken stock water. Then turn to the high heat and stir fry evenly. Just stir fry for a minute. The frying time here does not need to be too long, otherwise the taste will not be good. Well, put it in the plate and very delicious. The simple and delicious sauce red cabbage is ready. Well, ladies and gentlemen, I hope you enjoy our video. Click like on our video and do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Bye bye.